That is
I don't know
crazy.
either. I mean, it looks like its wing is crooked.
It's kind of leaning to that side too. It looks injured.
Well, it was just in a dog's mouth.
I would say take it over to Magnolia Plantation right there.
It's gonna get cold tonight.
That vet in Sosha.
Oh. Yeah.
Sosha vet. He does.
Yeah, they do. It's just full.
He does all the rest.
I said they do. It's just full.
No.
What is his? Who is that?
I'm not gonna be open. You get the merch.
Bandy!
Oh, today's Saturday.
Bandy!
You don't want to
Yeah.
Bandy!
No, I'm surrendering. I'm surrendering a wildlife refuge.
Yeah. I can't help it.
Who
It's
walked
happening
in?
Floating in my backyard.
Daddy, I saw who walked.
Yeah, they can take it to the county farm.
You want to keep them?
Uh-huh.
We can't. No,
I'll tell her.
There's somebody else that needs to take care of them.
Mom said you can always call animal control. They could take it to the county farm. That's what I was just thinking.
It's kind of like tilting to.
It's listing. It's listing.
Swimming like this in circles, like George Lopez.
Yeah, that one hadn't hatched out long.
No. No, he's still young.
Social veterinary clinic. It does look like its wing is a little.
Yeah. And its other foot. Sorry,
He's
bud.
been swallowed
You
by
can
a
just say no
dog.
about me.
You probably walk sideways
Push
to
me
him
out the
and
way.
say,
No, okay. I'm just checking you out there, buddy.
Let's go, honey. My turn to be the mom, okay? It's not. I'm the mom now.
I'm sure he'll be fine. She's about to get mad.
Oh, it looks off.
No, she's about to.
I don't know. I've never seen
I want to hold him.
You've never seen that duck ever.
That's a duck, right?
That's a duck.
That is a
Can
duck.
you hold him?
Yeah, 2 hands. Like the bunny rabbits. And very, 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 very
Put your
careful.
hands over here.
Ow, that's a fax machine. That's a fax machine.
Matt, give me that bottle.
It wasn't me.
What bottle?
Put it on the corner.
What
Right
bottle?
here. Right here. Matt.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Think we should name it Donald or Daisy?
I see butterfly.
Butterfly? Butterfly duck? What about Donald duck? Oh. Daisy duck?
No.
Daisy duck it is. Can we keep it?
You think if you mixed up some
I've already been asked.
No, I was sleeping.
Yeah, let's put him in the water.
I'm keeping it.
You want to put him
No.
in? Mix up some oatmeal cereal, you think?
No, we're not. We're not keeping
Dr.
it.
Askey, do you have a better name?
Give it to Ronnie.
Better than what they just gave me? Yeah, they got all kinds of chicken.
Oh, I got a pond.
I don't know.
Well, I mean, they got all.
Hello.
They got like the.
Go.
I got a duck and a goose.
They like raise chickens.
Chickens. I got a duck and a goose.
Okay.
And a pond.
You feed the duck and the goose?
Yeah, sure.
Take
They've
them
got
home.
bugs.
Take them home.
They can eat bugs.
Take them home.
I'll give them to Ariana.
Okay. Take them
Snake,
home.
snake might eat him come tomorrow, but
No.
It would never make it to Georgia, babe.
That size they fry real quick.
I'm sure they did. You probably only have to clean
Daddy, you
them.
want to hold him?
Do I want to hold them?
Yeah.
No, I'm taking recording them right now.
Don't see.
See?
Huh.
I'll be damned.
Is that it?
She's got a bird. She's got a bird. She got a bird. I'll be damned. She's got a bird.
did you ever find that ibuprofen? Or did you get sidetracked?
No, I got sidetracked. I'm sorry.
My head's gonna explode if we're cool. Go home and take some. Go home and take some Fiorset and go to sleep.
Loretta, easy.
Yes, ma'am. My dog just brought me a baby duck. It is cute, but I don't know what to do with it. Like, it doesn't look like it's been hatched long.
And there's nowhere around here.
And I'm in Gulfport. I really don't know what to do with it. Yes?
3200s.
Thank you.
My mom was like, how did it get in her yard? They have a wooden fence. I was like, I know. She's like, nowhere around there would have ducks.
I know.
Somebody does.
I know. That wasn't.
I love this movie.
I got the
Cracks
flu.
me
I
up.
got the flu last, like October, November. This was a new bottle.
It already bit me
And
like once.
that's what's left out of it. I was down on those like Skittles.
Auntie, I just told him.
You did.
Mama with
Yeah.
2
I tried to
hands
take just for my migraines.
and pet him.
Yeah.
Didn't touch them. So they gave me Fiorset, which makes me do this.
Yeah. No, no.
Okay.
So what we name him? Daisy?
No.
That's Daffy.
Daffy. Lulu. Lulu's a good one.
Where the hell did Lulu come
Daffy, I want Daffy.
You want Daffy?
Who's that?
Alright, Daffy Duck it is.
Okay. Okay. Alright.
Or George.
Any name you want, talking.
from? Don't do it, it'll bite you.
Okay.
I mean, it might only feel like this, but
Thank you very
still.
much. Alright.
Or-
What are they saying?
They gave me some wildlife numbers to call. And she said they might be able to come get it from us.
No, okay.